Good morning, everybody. So, as we have discussed yesterday about the mental health of mothers, we are going to discuss the same step by step. Like, I have sorted out some topics for the mental health of mothers, which are diet during pregnancy, which are what are the to do's and not to do's during pregnancy, how to maintain work-life balance, how to start all over again for the work after maternity leaves. All that we will discuss step by step. So starting with diet during pregnancy. For that, I am reading this book. I really like this. Rutuja Divekar. It's by Rutuja Divekar. Pregnancy Notes, and in there there is personal note by Kareena Kapoor Khan, and I have acronymed what to do in 4 letters. They are READ, read. R for reading, E for education, A for association, and D for diet. So, starting with reading, you should read every day, like for 10 to 15 minutes. It gives a boost to our brain, and it should not be virtual read, like you are reading e-book and all that. It should be a, a real read, like taking these books and reading, going through the pages. It gives a specific physical touch and physical feel to read the actual books. So start your day. Try to start your day with read. I know motherhood is very busy stuff to go through, but you should take your time, and that's called me time. And in that me time, kindly include this reading. And E for education. Education is for get to know what is motherhood, because in previous day, old days, there is no such thing as we should know about motherhood, and how to the process, and how to go through emotional turmoil, because they were happy going through it. Because but nowadays we are as educated and learned women, we feel totally lost during those period of pregnancy, because we are at home. Previously, mothers used to be feel happy and get rest from their physical labors during pregnancy, because they can rest in that period. But we are so much used to our daily stuff and daily routine, working routine, and getting hurried for work, that we don't like to rest for that period too. We hurry in that period too, and we think like we are wasting our time by just resting or sitting at home and preparing for pregnancy. But trust me, that's the best period to have a proper rest, proper diet, and be used to that rest, and use that rest for preparing your mind, body for the upbringing of child. Because once the delivery once you have delivered, then you are totally concentrated upon your child, and you don't have time for yourself. So I request you all mothers to use that 9 months period, actually before that too, but use that specific that 9 months period in reading, educating ourselves about the what is this process, how hormonal imbalance plays role after delivery, and getting associated with the same physical age groups, like those who are to be mothers, they should associate with those who are to be mothers. And after motherhood, the problems are different. Not only problems, you want to share something, but you cannot relate yourself with that, means others cannot relate to the same, because they are going through different phase. So if you associate with same age group people, it will be easy for yourself, and it also gets easy for others to understand you, because they are going through same boat. So they are on the same journey. So associate with people who are of the same age group, or who are going through the same process. And association, after association, diet plays a major role, as discussed in this book, Rutuja Divekar's book about pregnancy notes. Because if you eat wrong foods, wrong things, like junk food and all, as they all say, jaisa an vaisa man. So diet plays very crucial role in your mental health, but we don't recognize it till somebody tells us that it's the thing. It also affect your thoughts, emotions. So be specific about what you eat and what you how you eat and where you eat. You should eat slowly, and you should eat sattvic food. Mostly it should be prepared at home. That will improve your general thoughts pattern. You will recognize that slowly. So for that, today just that's it. Remember this: read, READ, reading, educating yourself, association, and diet. Thank you for